Hi everyone, let me introduce you to Kilocode, a new AI agent we have available for Visual Studio Code. This is something similar to Klein and Drew Code but offers better features. So in this video, let me show you what Kilocode is about and how it is different from Klein and Drew Code. Also, I'll be creating an application in React just using Kilocode. So without wasting any further time, let me dive in and show you what exactly Kilocode is. This is the official website of Kilocode. The heading itself is Ultimate All-in-One AI Coding Agent Toolkit for Visual Studio Code. So we have all the informations right here. Kilocode has 4 stages of writing code and debugging. The first stage is orchestrator, breaks complex project into delegated subtasks. Then we have architect, design elegant solution before writing a single line of code. Well, then we have the coding part, transform plans into production ready implementation. Then what else? Then we have debug. So find and fixes the issues before they reach production. Well, then we have the features table where it compares with Klein and Drew code with Kilo. So you can go through these and see what are those. Then combines the best. So Kilo code is something that combines all of these open source projects: Klein, Drew code, Continue, Context, Open Router. That's what they claim. Okay. Then what? Why developers choose Kilo? So they have given us 6 reasons why developers choose Kilo. One, automatic failure recovery. Then hallucination-free code. Then what? Context is the king, so it can take care of the context automatically. Well, we'll have to check that. Kickstart debugging, memory bank, open source. All right. So that's it for the official website of Kilocode and what are the features that it offers. Now let us quickly dive in and create a project. So the idea is to create a notepad application, simple notepad application. Let's see how well it can create that application and how many prompts it would require and things like that. So without wasting any further time, let me dive in and let me show you how we can do it. Let me create the application in this particular folder. Create a simple modern text editor like Notepad where we can create edit text files. UI should be modern and minimalistic. Or the option to share the text via email. Yeah. And we need to the option for copying things to clipboard. We'll use React.js for this one. Command. Compile with problem con resolve. Let me copy the error. I'm getting this error and I'll paste it and I'll send it. So it seems like the issue was with the package installation. So it is running the command again to install the Lucid React package. Okay, so start typing test. Okay, while saving it just downloads, and in the text file there is the value that we've given. This is the email option, I think. Email. Okay, the email application has opened and we can just send those tests. All right, don't save. Now this is the copy to clipboard feature. Let me see if it is. Yes, that's also working. Now the UI is not that great. It's just so big. I don't want this to be such a big thing. Resize the whole application. What is taking the full space? Make it an appropriate size and align its center. Center and give name as Kilo notepad. There is no name as such right now, right? So let's give a name as well. Okay, that have resized the whole application and it looks far better than the first version. Um, Kilo notepad, the name is there. Let's download feature is working. Now the mail feature is also again working, so the resize has worked correctly, but the features remain same. Now let me add an option to open the saved text files. Add an option to open text files and edit them. Okay, the edit button is not working. Let me inspect it and see if there is any error messages coming up. No. Okay, so there is nothing. Open button is not working. No response after clicking on the button. Okay, now it is working. Now let me choose the earlier downloaded files that we have. Yeah, well, that feature is working. Great. Well, that's it for Kilocode and the Notepad application just we created. Soon I'll be creating a game using Kilocode and maybe Gemini or any other API providers that we have. So stay tuned for that. And if you enjoyed, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Till then, this is Castrica Joseph signing off. Bye.